Hi there. Today we're excited to introduce the HonestBaby Multipack Gift Bundle, featuring mix and match outfits made from 100% organic cotton. Perfect for newborns aged 0 to 3 months, these 6-piece sets come in a stylish jumbo leaf sage color suitable for boys, girls, and unisex wear. The outfits include nickel-free snaps to ensure your baby's sensitive skin stays safe and comfortable. With fold-over cuffs, these clothes help protect little hands and keep fingers warm. Plus, they're machine washable, making cleanup easy for busy parents. Dress your baby in soft, breathable, and eco-friendly clothes designed with care and convenience in mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.